Aggregations is a new feature that allows you to quickly summarize your project's data. There are currently 4 different types of aggregations: numerical, date, Boolean, and generic. Using my interiors project as an example, I can utilize all aggregation types. I will leverage numerical aggregations using the unit cost of each product. I can see the average cost for my furniture, the mean, and max, as well as the range between those two. I have a date field where I'm tracking my warranty expiration. Using the date aggregations, I can quickly see what is the earliest or the latest date of my warranties. The Boolean aggregations allow me to quickly visualize how many of my furniture come with a power requirement or not. By selecting % true or false, I can see the values propagating next to that field. Lastly, the generic aggregations will help me to quickly see what percentage of my product specs are missing a status. That way, I can focus on those first. Now that I have applied the aggregations on my view, I have a couple of options. I can save those as part of this current view for everyone in my team to view them. I can also save those as a new view and have this be an independent way to look at my data summary. Lastly, I can discard changes to clear my view from the aggregations. Another powerful way to use aggregations is to quickly summarize data that come with my Revit model. Instead of creating schedules in Revit, I can use aggregations to get my information right from within layer. In this example, I will focus on my instruction rooms that belong in my model. Using the numerical aggregations, I can quickly gather the sum, the average, the mean, and max area for those rooms. I can use the generic aggregations to see what percentage of those rooms have a base finish defined or not. That way, I will prioritize the rooms that are lacking a base finish.